Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today, we're tackling the word omnipresent. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is omnipresent. Let's break it down. First, we have which rhymes with mom or bomb. Next is ni, which sounds like knee or see. Then we have pres, which rhymes with fizz and carries the main stress. Finally, which sounds like the in hunt. Now, let's put it all together. Omnipresent. Try repeating after me, omnipresent. Now a little faster, omnipresent. And at full speed, omnipresent. Keep practicing, and soon, this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Omnipresent refers to something that is present everywhere at the same time, like an idea or influence that can be found all around. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce omnipresent and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.